Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ledger from journal entries. We will cover the essential steps to accurately transfer financial transactions from your initial records into organized ledger accounts. This process is fundamental for maintaining clear and precise financial records, which are crucial for any business. By the end, you will have a solid understanding of how to systematically post entries and prepare your accounts for further analysis, ensuring every debit and credit finds its correct home. Before we post, let's quickly review journal entries. These are the initial records of all your business transactions, captured chronologically. Every entry details the date, the specific accounts affected, and the corresponding debit and credit amounts. Remember, the double entry system dictates that for every transaction, total debits must always equal total credits, maintaining the accounting equation's balance. This foundational step ensures accuracy before moving to the ledger. Now, let's post these entries to the ledger. For each debit in your journal entry, locate the corresponding ledger account and record the amount on its debit side. Similarly, for every credit, find the relevant ledger account and post the amount on its credit side. It is vital to include the date and a brief description. Also, use the journal folio and ledger folio numbers to create a clear audit trail, linking each transaction back to its origin. After posting all journal entries, the final step is to balance each ledger account. Sum up all the debit entries and all the credit entries separately for each account. The difference between these two totals represents the account's balance. For instance, if debits exceed credits, it's a debit balance. This balance is then carried forward to the next accounting period, providing a clear summary of each account's financial position. This completes the ledger creation process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.